Hi, I'm Tony Wilson from L2C Compactor Systems, where we take a Volvo wheel loader and able to convert it into a compactor with a simple kit. Comes in a 20-foot container with compactor wheels, blade, cleaner bar systems, scraper frames, entire system ready to be put on. You can then transfer your unwanted parts and put it back in the container for safe storage. 24 hours, convert it from a wheel loader into a compactor and vice versa. Ready for earthwork season and turn it back for a wheel loader and a quarry for the winter season. So basically it's made in New Zealand, we want to take it worldwide. At this stage we've got a brand new one behind us which will be made out of a Volvo L120, which is we call our Series 1. Our next one is the Series 2, which is the L150, which is about 30 tonne. Comes in a 20-foot container, complete with your blade, wheels, guards, cleaner system, arrives on your site. Add some weld plates, 3 either side of the machine, gets welded on by a certified engineer. Then basically you bolt everything onto there and put all your bucket, your rubber wheels, your guards back in the container for safe storage. This thing can be transported anywhere in the world. They're available now. We've got one made, as you see behind us. We're doing the next Series 2 straight away with Highway Engineering. Then we have 2 more coming across from China very soon who are doing the base steel for us, and they'll go straight in production. We've got potential orders for 6 of them already for next season's earthwork season. So things are looking up. These are for New Zealand customers where we're basically soft launching. We have interest from Australia from Deals on Wheels' last video and magazine article from 2 years ago. So thank you Deals on Wheels for supporting us. And we have interest from Volvo as well to introduce it to them and hopefully be one of the attachments for their product. This compaction system with its less drag enables this machine to burn less fuel. The Volvo system we're using also has a 95% end-of-life recyclability. So saving fuel, less drag, more productivity, saving the planet by actually 95% recyclable. It's a win-win-win. This machine will stay here for this duration of this job till it's finished. If we have spare time before the end of the earthwork season, which is end of May, it'll go to that job. Come winter, within 24 hours, we've taken these wheels off, turned it back into a wheel loader. We'll go back to the quarry and work for loading trucks, working in the quarry for winter. Come October, we'll convert it back to a compactor ready for the next earthwork season.